everyone, I'm Abhirami, fourth year medical student. I'm currently doing clinical rotation in Tucson, Arizona. The hospital that I'm doing rotation is at TMC, Tucson Medical Center, and its affiliated hospitals and clinics. Today, I'm here to share my experience about doing rotation at TMC. Many of the students from Texila reached out to me to ask about my clinical experience at TMC. One of the questions that I get asked a lot from our college student is that whether my clinical rotation is hands-on or is it more like an observership. I want to clarify that and say that it's a complete hands-on clinical experience at TMC. We get an extensive training before starting a rotation at TMC, like EMR, how to use electronic medical record system. As a medical student, we are expected to do complete history and physical examination, write SOAP notes, HNP notes, and progress notes. I think it is a great learning opportunity. TMC is the best clinical site to do our rotations.